On Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020, the American people were asked to go vote. They've been doing so since February 4th, 1789, when they elected their first president, George Washington. At that time, the citizens of the country come together to decide the future of the nation. In the early days, elections were festive. There were parades, street theater, toasting and fasting, festivals, bonfires, and outrageous wagers. Presidents were giants. Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, Theodore Roosevelt, Dwight Eisenhower, Harry S. Truman, and Thomas Jefferson. Those were men who changed the country. In 1960, things changed. It was the year of the first nationally televised debate. American politics would never be the same again. Although it gave candidates a way to speak to millions of people at the time, it didn't take long for that direct contact to be mediated, mostly by the network executives, producers, and reporters who put together the nightly news program. Trends like sound bites, talking heads, and negative TV ads soon followed. It was the end of an era. Today, things are different. Corporations are people. Ungodly amounts of money is spent during the election cycle. We live in a time of gotchas, empty promises that sound good on TV, lies that no one is held accountable to. It all led to this.
We hold these truths to be self-evident. All men and women created by you know the thing.
I've said that if Ivanka weren't my daughter, perhaps I'd be dating her. You know.
Stop it! Oh, it's so weird.